Party Angel! Today we're making an easy chocolate cake and upgrading it to taste like a homemade and professional cake. But here's the secret. We're using a box chocolate cake mix. It's so simple, even your kids can jump in and help like mine did. I'm your party-loving bestie with over 20 years experience, and I'm here today to share with you all my secrets to unforgettable tasty party cake where you shine as the angel. So let's go. The first tip is to look at the box directions for the amounts. Follow the box on the amount of water, but use whole milk instead to enhance the flavor. Next, we will swap out oil and use the same amount, but with melted butter to give it a more mouth-watering density. Next, you'll add one extra egg to the recommended amount to give it some homemade texture. Last, whip it up with your mixer and cook it in the oven on the temperature and times as directed on the box. These are simple little tricks that you can use from what you probably already have in your kitchen to make it taste rich, moist, and bakery quality. This is the perfect affordable party dessert idea because it's more affordable than a professional cake and takes less time than making it from scratch. So what's your favorite part of this cake? The ease, the flavor, or the low budget? Stay tuned because next video will frost it up and turn it into a fun golf themed cake. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Party Theme Angel for more cake decorating hacks and party theme ideas. Keep shining and we'll see you at the next party.